This is Z-Man Says Hi YouTube video on how to make airsoft grenades featuring this guy. Now I'm going to show a grenade and he's going to show a grenade. Here's what mine will look like after you're done. It won't actually explode, so you don't have to worry about like pulling the pin and then killing yourself. But alright, so you take an ordinary can, rip off the tab, take scissors. It's better if you use a pocket knife, but I lost mine. Now try and cut a little hole like that into it. You might want to make it a bit bigger. There. Now take some paper towels. That's a bit too much. And just stuff it inside the can. Take some more paper towels, stuff it into the can, until you get up to about where the hole is on yours. Then you want to press it down a tiny bit below the hole. Then I'm going to add some more because it's not covering all of the bottom. And then take some airsoft BBs. And you start sticking them in. Fill it up as much as you can before it'll fall out of the hole if you fill it up too much. I think I have enough. Okay. I'm going to put a tiny bit more in. Alright, that's enough. Now after, take some more paper towels and take just a tiny bit, enough to cover your hole, and then tape it on. Tape it on kind of lightly so that you don't want to tape it on too tight or it won't rip apart. And it's okay if well, I'll tell you the rest at the end. It's okay if it is a little more loose than you want it to be. Just tighten it a tiny bit. Alright, now that you got that, take the tab from the soda can, take some tape, tape it to the tab. Make the tab cover the top hole as much as you can. It's kind of hard. Now then, when you're done, you just pull it like a regular soda can and then throw it. And that's how to make my grenade. Now, Milan's going to show you how to make his grenade.
Hello, YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to make my grenade out of a simple balloon, BBs, and some water. So while I go get some water, my friend Zach will entertain you.
I don't really want to entertain you. I'll just show you my AK. Here's my Pulse AK-47. This thing is a monster. Adjustable sights. This thing is sweet.
You better hurry up because I'm bored.
Alright, here he is.
Okay, since you fill it up with water, take a couple BBs. Doesn't really matter how much. Stick them in there. Might take a bit.
Show them the size of the water balloon before the... Yeah.
Not too big, just a regular water balloon.
That's smaller than all regular water balloons.
Did you hear that jiggle? Yeah, this is gonna take a while. So when you're done putting when you're done putting your BBs in there, just blow it up, tie it, or put some tape around it so the air doesn't come out, and then it's ready. So thanks for watching, YouTube. Comment, subscribe, and view our videos. Bye.
And we'll have a second video of when we're throwing the grenades.